Good afternoon, welcome to the latest crypto news today. This video is for educational purposes and none of this is financial advice. Make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel, it's free. And if you're able to leave us a comment on any thoughts or opinions you have on today's video. Without further ado, let's get to today's big stories. Bitcoin falls below $100,000 following Donald Trump imposing import tariffs. Bitcoin has dropped below $100,000 for the first time in 6 days following US President Donald Trump signing an executive order to impose import tariffs on goods from China, Canada, and Mexico. The imposed tariffs have already triggered retaliation from the three countries, and the crypto industry is divided on how this will affect the broader market. According to a February 1 statement from the White House, Trump is implementing a 25% additional tariff on imports from Canada and Mexico, and a 10% additional tariff on imports from China. Energy resources from Canada will have a lower 10% tariff. The statement said that Trump is taking bold action to hold Mexico, Canada, and China accountable to their promises of halting illegal immigration and stopping poisonous fentanyl and other drugs from flowing into our country. Tariffs could raise inflation, leading to higher interest rates, which typically causes investors to move away from riskier assets like crypto and toward more traditional assets like bonds and term deposits. El Salvador continues accumulating BTC dispute IMF deal. El Salvador acquired 2 additional Bitcoin, BTC, on February 1, as the government's National Bitcoin Office accelerates its pace of BTC accumulation. According to El Salvador's National Bitcoin Tracker, the country has a total of over 6,055 BTC, valued at over $612 million at the time of this writing. The country recently walked back its Bitcoin legal tender law, which required businesses to accept Bitcoin as a form of payment. As part of the IMF deal, the country also agreed to scale back public sector involvement in the Bitcoin industry and privatize the Chivo wallet. Despite the IMF deal, El Salvador has continued accumulating Bitcoin for its national reserve. Bitcoin's recent market performance. Bitcoin has recently experienced a decline, slipping for the 3rd consecutive day as geopolitical tensions and economic policies influence market sentiment. Renewed trade wars and policy decisions have contributed to inflationary fears, impacting Bitcoin's price. As of the latest reports, Bitcoin is trading around $104,000, having bounced off its 50-day exponential moving average of approximately $98,800 earlier this week. Altcoins have also faced downturns, reflecting broader market uncertainties. India reassesses cryptocurrency stance amid global shifts. India is re-evaluating its position on cryptocurrencies due to evolving international perspectives. Economic Affairs Secretary Ajay Seth emphasized the necessity for a collaborative global approach, noting that unilateral decisions may be ineffective. This reassessment has postponed the release of a previously planned discussion paper. Despite regulatory challenges and significant taxes, Indian investments in cryptocurrencies have remained strong. Notably, some Indian regulators have shown openness to private virtual assets, contrasting with the central bank's concerns over potential macroeconomic risks. Reuters.com. Launch of Trump meme coin ETFs. Sparks speculation concerns. Tuttle Capital Management has filed to introduce 10 leveraged exchange-traded funds, ETFs, designed to double investors' exposure to meme coins associated with former US President Donald Trump and his wife Melania. These meme coins, lacking intrinsic economic value, have seen prices driven by online demand, recently experiencing declines exceeding 60% from their peaks. The proposed ETFs aim to achieve twice the daily return or loss of the tokens through financial derivatives, challenging the boundaries of the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, under the current administration. This move raises concerns about increased market speculation and the potential risks to investors. WSJ.com. Grayscale introduces Dogecoin-focused investment fund. Grayscale Investments has announced the launch of a new investment fund centered on Dogecoin, aiming to capitalize on the growing interest in altcoins beyond Bitcoin. The Grayscale Dogecoin Trust offers investors exposure to Dogecoin, which has transitioned from a meme cryptocurrency to a recognized means of global financial inclusion and payment. Dogecoin's prominence has been bolstered by endorsements from figures like Tesla CEO Elon Musk and currently ranks as the world's 8th largest token with a market capitalization of approximately $50 billion. The new trust tracks Dogecoin's market price and is open for subscriptions to eligible accredited investors. Reuters.com. Concerns over potential corruption in Trump's crypto endeavors. Former President Donald Trump has taken steps to relax regulations on the cryptocurrency industry, a move anticipated to accelerate its growth but potentially at the expense of investor protection and ethical standards. Strategic appointments, such as Paul Atkins as SEC chair and David Sachs as crypto and AI czar, underscore his commitment to establishing the U.S. as a crypto hub. Trump has also launched ventures, including a meme coin named Trump, prompting criticism from ethics watchdogs and experts who express concerns about government transparency and the potential for misuse within the unregulated crypto space. High-profile contributions from the crypto industry to Trump's campaign activities further amplify fears of systemic corruption. TheGuardian.com. UK Treasury's cryptocurrency holdings. Amid financial challenges, in 2013, James Howells, a computer engineer from Newport, inadvertently discarded a hard drive containing the password for 8,000 bitcoins, now valued at over £500 million, into a landfill. Local authorities denied permission for excavation. Meanwhile, the UK Treasury, led by Chancellor Rachel Reeves, has quietly accumulated a cryptocurrency stash worth about £5 billion from confiscated criminal assets. With rising borrowing costs and impending public spending cuts, there is speculation that selling this cryptocurrency could alleviate financial strain. Given the unpredictable nature of the market, it may be prudent for the Treasury to consider selling while conditions are favorable. The Times, co.uk. China's ongoing battle against underground cryptocurrency trading. Despite stringent government restrictions on cryptocurrency trading, underground brokers in China continue to facilitate large-scale crypto conversions. Operating covertly, these brokers exchange significant amounts of Chinese yuan for cryptocurrencies like Tether via overseas platforms. The anonymity of these transactions enables evasion of capital controls, allowing individuals and entities to move money offshore. Such activities challenge Beijing's control over financial flows and the economy. The government has intensified efforts to clamp down on crypto trading, yet over-the-counter networks and peer-to-peer trading remain elusive. Despite arrests and prosecutions, the allure of crypto persists, particularly among China's youth seeking to safeguard their wealth amid economic uncertainty. Meme coin ETF filings raise speculation concerns. 3 U.S. asset managers are preparing to launch exchange-traded funds, ETFs, that will invest in meme coins associated with former President Donald Trump and Elon Musk. Meme coins, lacking underlying economic value, have prompted concerns about market speculation. Brian Armour from Morningstar criticized these instruments, likening them to gambling rather than investment. Despite high volatility and skepticism, the ETF industry is eager to enter this market. Rex Financial and Osprey funds have filed with the SEC to create Trump and other meme coin-based ETFs. The SEC's decision will test its openness to digital assets under new leadership, potentially leading to more crypto ETFs despite potential negative perceptions on Wall Street. Montenegro extradites Terraform Labs. Founder to the U.S. Montenegro has extradited Do Kwon, the founder of Terraform Labs, to the United States. Kwon, known as the cryptocurrency king, was arrested in March 2023 while attempting to leave for Dubai with fake Costa Rican passports. Following the $40 billion collapse of Terraform Labs' cryptocurrency, which adversely affected investors worldwide, U.S. prosecutors charged Kwon with fraud.